Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you drive every day, whether it's commuting to work, rideshare driving, road trips, or just running errands, having a reliable dash cam isn't optional anymore. It's essential. Today, I'm reviewing one of the most talked about dash cams right now, the Toronto 4K plus 4K dash cam front and rear. This is currently a #1 bestseller in car on-dash mounted cameras, with a 4.8 star rating from over 2,300 reviews and more than 10,000 units sold just in the past month. So the big question is, does it actually live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First impressions and setup. Right out of the box, Toronto makes a strong first impression. You're not just getting the front and rear cameras. You also get a free 128GB micro SD card already included, which is a huge plus. No extra purchases just to get started. Installation is surprisingly easy. The windshield mount feels solid. The cables are long enough for clean routing, and Toronto even includes cable clips and a trim tool to make everything neat and professional. If you're not a tech expert, don't worry. This setup is very beginner-friendly. Video quality, true 4K front and rear. This is where the Toronto dash cam really stands out. You're getting true 4K resolution on both the front and rear cameras, not 4K front and downgraded rear like many competitors. The front camera has a 170-degree ultra-wide angle, which means it easily captures multiple lanes of traffic, license plates, road signs, and important details. The footage is sharp, smooth, and incredibly clear, even at highway speeds. The rear camera is just as impressive, giving you full protection from behind. Perfect for hit-and-run situations or rear-end collisions. Night vision performance. Night driving is where many dash cams struggle, but not this one. Thanks to Super Starlight Night Vision, WDR technology in large apertures, f1.5 in the front and f1.8 in the rear, you get bright, clean footage even in low-light conditions. Street lights, headlights, and license plates are captured clearly, which is crucial if you ever need footage for insurance or legal purposes. GPS and smart features. The built-in GPS is another major advantage. It records your real-time speed, location, and driving route, and displays it directly on a 3-inch IPS screen. This information is also embedded into the video itself, giving you solid evidence if you ever need it. You can review GPS data through Toronto app or on your computer using their free GPS player for Windows or Mac. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and mobile app. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi is fast, much faster than standard dash cams. You can instantly connect to your phone using the Toronto app on iOS or Android, download videos quickly, adjust settings, update firmware over the air, and share clips directly with insurance companies or on social media. No removing the SD card, no slow transfers. Everything is smooth and modern. Parking mode and safety. With 24-hour parking monitoring, this dash cam protects your car even when you're not there. It uses time-lapse recording and G-sensor detection to capture incidents like bumps, vandalism, or attempted theft. Just keep in mind, you'll need a separate hardwire kit to enable parking mode. Once installed, it works exactly as advertised. Final thoughts. So, is the Toronto 4K plus 4K dash cam worth it? Honestly, yes. For the price, especially with the current discount, you're getting true 4K front and rear recording, a free 128GB memory card, fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, excellent night vision, reliable parking protection, easy installation, and an 18-month warranty with 24/7 customer support. This dash cam delivers premium features without a premium price tag, and it's easy to see why it's a bestseller. OUDRO, if you're serious about protecting yourself on the road and want peace of mind every time you drive, the Toronto 4K plus 4K dash cam is absolutely worth considering. If this review helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and check the link below if you want to learn more or grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching and drive safe. Automobile Sparkles.